Assalamualaikum and a lovely morning, my dear students. How are you all? Alhamdulillah. I'm happy to know that you all are keeping fine. I am back with your math class today. Which chapter are we doing? Yes, we are doing numbers. We are doing the first lesson, and that is numbers. So, we have covered many topics in the first lesson. Which are those? Number 1, we have completed the place value. Next, we completed number names. Then, we did forming 3-digit numbers. And then in the previous week we did, what did we do? The crocodile. Yes. What was that? It was, see, what did we do? Think. Excellent job. We did comparing. Comparing 3-digit numbers. So, up to now, we have completed 1, 2, 3 and 4 topics in chapter numbers. Today, we are going to start with the 5th topic. And you know, what is that? What can be our 5th topic in the first lesson? Yes, it is about counting. We are going to learn how to count. We are going to learn how to count. So are you ready? Come on, get ready to learn how to count numbers. Students, whom do we have today in our class? Who is it? It's Snowy. We have a Snowy in our class. And the Snowy has to collect these apples. Our Snowy has to collect the apples and put it in the basket. Can you see a basket here? Yeah. So a Snowy has to collect the apples and put it in the basket. So my Snowy is at 0. And our apple is on number 2. So how many steps will my Snowy take? How many steps? 1 and the other one 2. So how many apples have my Snowy collected? 1 apple. Okay, so let's pick up this apple and put it there. Steps, 2 steps, right? Now from here my Snowy has to collect the other apple. So how many steps will my Snowy take? 1 and the other one. 1 and the other one. How many? 2. So when my Snowy comes here, my Snowy has collected the second apple. Now my Snowy has to collect the third apple. So again my Snowy will take 2 steps. Okay? Snowy took 2 steps here and 2 steps here. Now my Snowy has collected the third apple. So we put our third apple here. Now there are 2 more apples that my Snowy has to collect. So again 1 and 2. Again my Snowy takes 2 steps and collects this apple. Now my Snowy is here. My Snowy has to collect the last apple. So my Snowy will take how many steps? Yes, you're right. My my Snowy will again take 2 steps and will collect the last apple. So now my little Snowy has collected all the 5 apples. Okay, all the 5 apples. So students, how many steps did my Snowy take to collect each apple? Yes, you are right. My Snowy took 2 steps. Okay, my Snowy took 2 steps to collect all the 5 apples. So we counted numbers in twos. Now we have done counting twos. Okay, this was what we have done. Correct? So where all were the apples? The apples were on 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We counted in twos to collect all the 5 apples. Thank you students. You helped my Snowy to fill the basket with 5 apples. And what did we learn? We learned to count in twos. From 0, when we count in twos, we have 2, 4, then we have 6, then 8, and then we have 10. Now start counting after 10 in twos. 12, 14, 16, 18, and then 20. So we counted in twos up till 20. Now let's take another number. Let's take number 64. Now you all have to count with me in twos after number 64. We have 64, then 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, and then 80. Okay. So now we've counted numbers in twos. Last time, let's take the last example. You'll want to take the number 88? Okay, so we have 88 here. 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Okay, we've counted the numbers in twos. Let's see on the board now. Can you all help me? Come on. So, which number do I have for you all? It is number 3939. You have to count in twos. So, 39, 40 and then 41. So, when you count in twos, you get the number 41 after 39. Then after 41, what will come? We are counting in twos, remember that. 41, 42, 43. Yes, we have number 43. After 43, what will we have? Loudly. Yes, you are right. We have number 45. Then, what do we have after 45? Yes, we have 47. Let's count in twos after 39. 39, 41, 43, 45 and 47. Now, let's see which number do I have next for you all. It is number 14. It's number 14. This number goes and sits here. Now, again we will be counting. So after 14, start counting in twos. 14, 15 and 16. Yes. Then we'll count the middle number in our heart. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 22. So we've counted numbers in twos after 14. Let's repeat. You all will repeat after me. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So we have counted numbers in twos. Now these are how many digit numbers? They are 3 digit? No. We have done counting twos in 2 digit numbers. Now after this we will be seeing counting in twos with 3 digit numbers. Get ready to count numbers of 3 digit in twos. Let's take example of 3 digit number. Which number is this? 168. We have to count in twos. So we have 168. In our heart we'll say 169. Loudly we'll say 170. 170. And next you're going to again count in twos. So after 170, 172. Then 173. And loudly we'll say 174. In this way, we have done counting of numbers in twos. Let's take the other example. The number is 295. 295. And we have to count in twos. So 295, 296. And we'll write 297. 298 and 299. 300 in our heart and 301 we'll write on the board. So in this way, when we count in twos from number 295, we get the numbers as 297, 299 and 301. Let's see our last example. We have the number 400. We have the number 400. We have to count in twos. Now you all will tell me the answers. What will come after 400 when we count in twos? Yes, very good. We'll get the number 402. Then we'll get the number. Yes, we'll get the number 404. What's next? Yes, we'll get the number 406. So, in this way, we've learned how to count the numbers in twos. Let's quickly read the numbers of our last example. 400, 402, 404 and 406. So, students, we did counting of numbers in twos. What's next now? Are you ready to learn how to count in? Yes, threes. Now we are going to learn how to count in threes. Get ready. Look who's back. Our Snowy. Now, our Snowy collected the apples previously. Yes. Now our Snowy is going to collect the flowers. Wow, pretty flowers, aren't they? So my Snowy is at 0 now. My Snowy has to collect the first flower. How many steps will my Snowy take? We start from 0. 1, 2 and 3. my Snowy has taken 3 steps and collected the first flower. My Snowy collects this flower and puts it in the basket. So my Snowy took 3 steps and reached number 3. Now the second flower is at number 6. Which number is the second flower at? Number 6. So my Snowy again starts counting 1. Then comes here 2 and counts the third step and comes at number 6. Collects the second flower and takes it to the basket. So again, how many steps did my Snowy take to collect the second flower? Snowy took 3 steps. Okay, first took 3 steps, came at number 3. Then took 3 steps and came at number 6. Now our third flower is at number 9. My Snowy wants this flower also. So how many steps will my Snowy take? Snowy starts counting 1, 2 and 3. My Snowy again took 3 steps and came at number 9 to collect the third flower. Snowy puts the third flower in the basket. Now we have a fourth flower also and a Snowy wants it. So from number 9, Snowy again starts counting 1, 2 and 3. From 9, when my Snowy takes 3 steps, Snowy comes at number 12. Snowy takes this flower and puts it in his basket. So now Snowy at number 12 has collected 4 flowers. Now there's one more flower. Snowy wants that also. So from number 12, Snowy again starts counting 1, 2 and 3. Snowy has again taken 3 steps. And from 12, after taking 3 steps, Snowy reaches number 15. Takes the flower and puts it in the basket. So, by counting in 3s from 0, my Snowy has collected the flowers. So when from 0, Snowy starts counting 3 steps, Snowy reaches number 3, then number 6, number 9, number 12 and number 15. What if we had more flowers and Snowy had to collect them? After 15, what number will come after if we count in 3s? 15, 16, 17 and 18. So after 15, if we count in 3s, we get the number 18. Start counting in 3s. 18, 19, 20 and 21. So after 18, we have number 21. Then 22, 23 and 24. Yes. After 21, when we count in 3s, we get number 24. So in this way, we've seen how to count numbers in 3s. Now let's see when we count numbers of 3-digit numbers in 3s. We have number 300. 300 is 300 and it is a 3-digit number. We have to count it in 3s. So how are we going to count? We have number 300. We will count in our heart and tell the number which will come loudly. Okay, so 300, 301, 302 and then we have 303. Let's keep counting. 304, 305 and then we have 306. Now next, our last blank. So we'll count the number after 306 in our heart. What comes after 306? 307, 308 and then we have 309. In this way, we have counted the numbers from 300 in threes. Read it with me. 300, 303, 306 and 309. Let's see our second example. We have number 527. We have the number 527. What will come? You all have to tell me now. Which number will come after 527? Yes, you all are right. It is number 530. It's number 530. What will come here? Come on, tell me. Yes, we will get the number 533. And here in our last blank, which number is going to come? Yes, we will get the number 536. So we have the number 527. When we count in threes, we get the number as 530, 533 and 536. So in this, we learned to count the number in threes. Yes. And before this, we did count the number in twos. Now what do we have? After 2, 3, do we have 4? No, we have number 5. Now we'll see how to count number in fives. But now my Snowy is not going to come. We will directly do it with 3-digit numbers. So get ready. So like as I said, we are going to count in fives. And I have one number ready for you. It is number 150. So when we count in fives, after 150, I have my 5 fingers out. 150, 151, 52, 53, 54. We have 155 after 150. Yes? So now I counted 155, 5 fingers out. 155, 156, 157, 158, 159 and then I have 160. So my next number is 160. And here I again have a blank. So I again have my 5 fingers ready to count. 160, 161, 162, 163, 164 and we have 165. Now the last blank. Which number will come here? We had 150. So we wrote 155, 160, 165 and here we have, yes, you're right, we have 170. Very good, students. Now, let's take another example. We will take the number 980. We'll take the number 980. And similarly, we have to find the next 4 numbers when we are counting in fives. So my 5 fingers are ready again to count. We have the number 980. So I start counting. This number will be 981, 982, 983, 984 and 985. So 985 goes here. Now, here again we have the 5 fingers ready. So after 985, I start counting. 986, 987, 988, 989 and 990. So this number comes here. Now again we have a blank. So after 990, what will come? Tell me. get the number 995. Then when I count in fives, what number do I get? Let's count it on my fingers. We have 995 here and 5 fingers here. So 996, 997, 998, 999, and then I have 1000. I get my number as 1000. So in this way we have counted numbers in fives. So now the last topic, what we are left with, it is count the numbers in tens. Now we are going to count the number in tens. And like these, we'll be counting with numbers and not with Snowy. Okay, get ready. Students, now we'll count the number in tens. Which 3-digit number do I have? Yes, it is 220. So this is very easy. You have to just count in tens and tell me which number will come here. Think. Yes, you all are right. The number will be 230. The number will be 230. What will come here? Yes, 240. Then next, 250. And what will come in my last blank? Yes, you are right. I'll get the number as 260. Wasn't it very simple? So quickly we'll go to our next example. What should I take as our next number? Let's take the number as 400. I'll take the number as 400. So when I have my blanks here, what number comes after 400 when I start counting in tens? 410. Next. Yes, 420. What will come here? Yes, you're right. I will have 430. And the last blank? Yes, 440. So, now we have counted the numbers in tens. We have counted the numbers in tens. Okay, students, we saw 2 examples. So, what have we learned today? Let's quickly revise it. We learned how to count numbers in 2s, 3s, 5s and 10s. Wasn't it very simple? And who helped you all to learn? Who helped? You want to see Snowy again? Yes. Let's get the Snowy. Yes, the Snowy is here. Do you all want to tell thank you to Snowy? Snowy helped us to learn how to count the numbers properly. Yes, and Snowy even collected the flowers and the apples. So, thank you, Snowy. You really helped us in counting the numbers. And now to you, my students, thank you so much for patiently watching the video and understanding it. Now what you have to do? You have to do your homework. I will be sending you the homework. You have to do it very neatly in your math notebooks and send the picture to me. Be safe at home and don't go out. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.